Hey there, you. Welcome back to another Oracle card reading. My name is Brian Nesline. I am a psychic, clairvoyant, Oracle card reader, psychic, intuitive, empath, medium, spiritual coach, mentor. I just mean by mentor that I have some experiences with the practice of reading oracle cards and the practice of what we would call spiritual gifts. And because I've worked with some of those, I have experience that I can share with other people, and that helps them gain their own perspective larger so that their gifts can be easier understood. See, when we talk with more people about something, then we gain more perspective on it. And that enhanced perspective allows us to see bigger, clearer, and make more use of the things that we have and that we know about. So, in this reading, you're going to get a little bit of information that's going to talk about a spiritual gift. What's it going to be? Let's find out. The first is called the dream. All right, so the first gift we're really talking about here is our gift of our green heart chakra, represented by the girl in the green dress. The green heart chakra is wearing the red bandana. Why? The green heart chakra, our spiritual self, wears the red bandana, our root chakra material world, on its forehead. That means that in order to make the dream become real in the world, meaning the things you want to see come to pass in your life, you want to know you are a spiritual being, the green heart chakra, know that you are a conscious spirit, an awareness, a little observer that's been in your life since you were a kid, looking through your eyes. That is who we are as a spiritual being. Know that you have the bandana of the material world root chakra that can expand, meaning that your words and your emotions that you conjure up and spell up here, that you cast your inner spells up here, are then going to get projected on the screen of life. That's what this shows. The dream of life. If you want your dreams to come rolling on in, just go into that place where no one else can, that inner little body, that spiritual self, your consciousness, your awareness, your spirit. Then use your words and your emotions to conjure up a little scene and really feel it. Look, she's daydreaming something beautiful. What is she beautifully dreaming about? You think she's talking about a relationship here? No, not really. Not a mortal one. No. She is talking about the divine masculine and the divine feminine. Simply, the words and the emotions, they combine. Then they get communicated into the world like little starlights, like little raindrops, like little snowflakes, one-of-a-kind original ideas that you're conjuring up. And only you can create those magical, different, unique things that no one else can put together in the way that you will. This is why you are such an incredible person. Nobody else has the set of information or the memories that you've been storing throughout your life. No one has that intricate set of emotions, the experiences of everything that you've learned and how you put words together. You're the one who is that little boy divine masculine on the quest with that wise woman, the white light, and you get to make choices in the world to do things the way you do them. See, these are similar, but they're different. Meaning that you are going to have your different view on the same thing that everybody else has. So, in other words, if we're all talking about cars, then you're going to have your preference of the kind of car you prefer. And somebody else is going to have theirs. So no two are going to be exactly alike. And now think about how different it is when we talk about all of the memories that you've accumulated, how different they are than someone else's. They are so unique. You're one of a kind, and you get to go on your quest, meaning your third eye, the dark blue is the third eye, that is the space up here that you assemble the pieces of your life together to then do your next new thing. You are a channel of the light. You've got a lot of ideas. They'll come and visit you at night, meaning that when you go into your dark space up here, when you close your eyes at night, they'll visit you in there, and you will put them all together, all the pieces of the puzzle, the way that you view things, and then you will come up with something original and you will share it with the world. Now all you got to do is follow that heart compass, the heart compass. We saw it in the first card. We saw it with the dream. The heart chakra right here is the heart compass. You just follow your heart. You do what you really feel in tune with. Are you somebody that is a mechanic? Then go out and do stuff with cars and expand on the knowledge of mechanics for everyone in the world. Are you a nurse? You care for people, then go out and dream up more and more ways that you can help heal and help evolve that whole industry. Oh, are you an artist? Go out and paint a new kind of picture. Are you a psychic reader? Start singing some songs. What? Are you somebody that has a dream that you've been cultivating since you were a kid? What are you interested in? What do you love doing? What brings you joy and light? What? If you do those things and you think about them and you imagine new ways to bring them into the world, you'll be following your inner heart compass and you'll be making your dreams a reality. You've got the backing of the white light and the stars. You were made for the purpose of doing new good things in the world, in your relationships, in your workplace, in your finances, in your everything, So know that that quest, the life purpose for you, is to continue to evolve as a personal self, and to go towards the things that you truly feel are things that you're good at, things that you desire, things that feel like they're not work, that they just kind of flow, that you just kind of love them. And that's going to be your pulpit. It's going to be your performance space. And the people will show up. And look, they're drinking here. Why? Are they getting drunk? No. They're drinking because it's intoxicating to listen to you. And they know that that's what you do. You found your heart. You're shouting it out. You're shining that bright, bright wisdom light. You are a conduit for the light, for God, for Source. So, it doesn't matter what area of the world you're in, and it doesn't matter what you've been through. All of those experiences are valuable. Ooh, they'll be able to help other people if you assemble them in a new way up here and take actions on them. Look, me, I was a active drug addict for years. What? An alcoholic, a drug addict? Woo, that looks like garbage. Or is it? Now I've got a lot of database of experiences of being in active addiction. So I know how to use that to help other people in the addiction field, to help them wake up spiritually, to help them take mental and emotional actions to be able to solve their addiction issues. Oh yeah, so everything you've been through is beneficial, and there will be other people that can use your experience. So always know your worth. You are immaculate. You are priceless. You are one of a kind, unmatched. There's not another like you. And you know this is true if you just look into your own memories and see that you have a unique set of information that nobody else has access to. Then you can let go both what? Let go of any doubts about yourself, any self-worth issues like, hey, I'm no good at this, I'm no good at that. Don't focus on what you're no good at. No, celebrate what you are good at. Let go of what you're not good at. Let go of telling yourself stories of being a failure. Let go of all that garbage and be this svelte being that knows some stuff. And you do know stuff, you know what you're good at, you know what you love. Explore those, let those go. Let those go up and out. Let those grow out of you. Let that stuff become what you speak about and what you do more and more often. Yeah, you will find places that will celebrate the things that you love doing as you talk about them and engage in them. They will grow like flowers right out of you. And what's going to happen? Oh, the flowering card. Can we make it any better than that? Grow like flowers. The card comes out. This is you with your bangles of bracelets of white light, rainbow chakras all over you. Look at you in your leotard of green. What is that? That is all the flowers of your green heart chakra that we talked about in the beginning. Look at how drab she looks in the beginning and how bright and vibrant she is in the end, because she followed her heart compass to get to this place of creativity and to be her authentic self. Look at it right here and look at it behind her. So good. Now she is the master of her world. You can see it in her hair, the black and white duality just flowing. She has let go of all of that stuff that she didn't need anymore. And now she's become sitting on top. Look at her right here is the divine masculine communicating in that lotus position. And there she is as the divine feminine sitting on top of that. On top of the pink flower, which is the material world newborn, expanding over and over, the root chakra expanding over and over and over. She keeps creating new things and she keeps becoming more poised. She keeps letting go of any self-worth issues. She knows she's got her authentic voice. There's nothing stopping the dream from coming true for every one of you. Just let go and believe. You are a unique creation. There's nobody else like you. And this is the whole point of the story. It's time for you to let it go and do you. Do you. And that doesn't mean we have to leave anything. It doesn't mean we have to break off anything. We can simply create space for our own healing of our individual self by doing more of what we love and integrating that into our personal lives and our relationships and our workspaces and our environments. Just find a way to celebrate yourself while you're also keeping all of the other good things in your life together. And this is what a constant state is. Healing, 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 renewal, 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 flowering, 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 growing, growing all day long. The purple in here too is all the wisdom that you're getting from everything that you've ever been through. You're not deficient. You haven't missed out. There's nothing but a set of vital information that the world needs. They need you. That's your reading for today. Oh my gosh, let's end this. Let's take it out with one little message on this little card just to see what it says on our way off. It says, hey, I relate in peace. I relate to the world in peace. And it's telling us that when you assemble those pieces of your past, all your memories, and you use your skills and abilities, use them for good. Use them for peace. Use them for uplifting means as opposed to destruction. Use them for the good of all of us. Take care, friends. I'll see you tomorrow because I publish videos every day. This is part of what I do that I love doing, and I'm so glad you are one of those people that is here with me. Now look, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do that. Create a little YouTube account. You probably have one because you have Google. Then just subscribe and hit the bell so that you get daily notifications. Watch other videos of mine. I'm here as your spiritual friend to help you along the way. Yeah, boom. Thanks for being a part of this. Take care. See you soon.